कभी कभार मैं बहुत ही बढ़िया चीजें सोचकर यहाँ पर बोर्ड पे लिख देता हूँ. यू शुड एक्चुअली हैव अ लुक एंड रीड इट समटाइम. सी, आज का है डियर बॉयज, गर्ल्स लव फूड, सो सिंसियरली लर्न टू कुक. कितना अच्छा आइडिया दे रहा हूँ, फ्री में वो भी. और मुझे ऐसा लगता है जब एक आदमी घर में अपनी घर के किचन में कुकिंग करने जाता है तो जितने भी विमेन इन लाइफ है उसकी, दे गेट वेरी हैप्पी. They feel special, they are amused at the same time, they laugh, they crack the jokes and they tease you. At the same time, they feel very cared for, especially if you give nice breakfast or lunch to them. और आज हमारी किचन completely men driven होने वाली है क्योंकि there is another gentleman who is joining me. वो बहुत ही ज्यादा स्पेशल है. स्पेशल इसलिए क्योंकि उनको खाना खाने का बहुत शौक है और उनकी इच्छा है कि वो एक अच्छा खाना, एक अच्छा मील भी बनाए for all the special women in his life. Hi Rushad, so good to see you.
Likewise. So good to be on the show.
You know, my memory froze when I saw you back in the 90s with one of your hit series,
Hippie Pure.
Hippie Pure.
Yes.
And so in my mind, it was like, I know you by Raga. And then all of a sudden I see you today. Oh, he's grown up.
Uncle हो गया है अब.
नहीं, uncle. You and me are, by the way, the same age. I Google about so like, you can't call me uncle, so I can't call you uncle. Let's not even go there. Nothing of this sort ever happened. But it's exciting to have you here because you don't cook, is what I got to know.
Yes, I don't, unfortunately.
Yeah, but just look at that. Like, are you married?
No, I'm not.
Then you should definitely look at that. Dear boys, girls love food. Sincerely learn to cook. So if you really want an access somewhere, this could be the key.
I know that. I've heard that several times. My mom keeps telling me that.
So that's the intent, that it's like men's kitchen today. Both of us will be doing this menu. So we have asparagus mushroom parcels, मूली bruschetta. Then we're doing a wasabi methi paratha and amrud ki chutney and a virgin sankia. First up, we'll start with asparagus and mushroom parcels. I've got mushrooms and I've got asparagus. Beautiful asparagus this is.
Yes.
इसकी ना बहुत मोटी खाल होती है.
Okay.
So just this part is what we need to remove, if you can, with the peeler. What I have with me are mushrooms. So I've got different varieties, but you can pretty much use जो आपके पास है, the white button mushrooms. They work perfectly well. It's just that Mr.
Am I doing it correctly?
Perfect. Artist now. So I've got this nice mushrooms which are very, very meaty. Tell me something. Won't women find men in kitchen amusing more than anything else?
I think they find them very relieving because you know you're doing their job. I also know of a lot of women who find it very sexy in men. You know, men who cook. I mean, it's a very क्या बोलते हैं?
It's a big
high. High.
All right. So got the asparagus right here. I've got another variety of mushrooms.
Wow, you do it so well.
Okay. So we put it right there. We've got some enoki.
What are these? Enoki.
Enoki. They are called enoki. That's a variety of mushroom. They're very strong on mushroom flavor. A small onion. So basically, इसका जो हम stuffing बना रहे हैं, we can be मसालेदार or can be a little less spicy. What do you like?
I can't have a lot of spicy food. मतलब मुझे हमेशा थोड़ा सा blandish side पे या whenever I go to a restaurant, I always tell them that medium spicy.
All right, so we'll keep it moderately spicy. Can I have some garlic and chili? I think we are ready. What I'll do is, I'll put very little chili.
Okay. But this dish that you're making right now, forgive my ignorance, how would you classify it? Is it an Indian dish you're making? Is it a continental dish you're making? Or is it a fusion kind of a thing that you're making for?
Well, it's an Indian flavor. Okay. That's what I can say. But
the ingredients will be
something like, oh, I didn't know this. Oh, that's a new flavor. Rather than having coconut, gajar, gobi, matar, aloo. It's not there. Thank God, something new. So I'm heating some butter. I've added some garlic and green chili.
Okay.
All right. Without browning the garlic, we'll add the onions. I'm adding some asparagus and साथ ही I'll add the mushroom. And at this point of time, I just need to increase the heat. All right, so we can see the mushrooms getting a little bit of color here. If you see.
Yes.
At this point, we'll add some salt. We'll add a little bit of turmeric. Halki mirchi because I don't eat mirchi. Dhania powder and jeera powder.
Looks like a lot of flavoring in it, huh?
Yeah. And it's done. So what I'll do is I'll just take it out. उसको ठंडा करने रख देंगे. Okay.
Smells amazing.
It's going to be amazing. So इसको थोड़ी देर ठंडा करने रखते हैं. जब ये ठंडा हो जाएगा, we'll grate some nice yellow cheddar that you like. That yellow cheddar will go on top of this.
Okay.
Then we'll stuff it and fry. All right, this goes here. Now let's start with the mooli bruschetta. So you travel a lot?
Yes.
Something very atpata that you remember?
Actually हम लोग ट्रैवल कर रहे थे, हिमाचल जा रहे थे फॉर अ शूट.
Okay.
तो अमृतसर के एक ढाबे पे आई जस्ट हैड द मोस्ट सिंपलेस्ट इंडियन मील दैट यू कैन थिंक ऑफ, विच इज दाल चावल एंड अ ग्लास ऑफ लस्सी. और भाई साहब वो खाना मैं आज तक भूला नहीं. मतलब जो उस सिंपल से दाल चावल में जो फ्लेवरिंग थी और वो जो उस स्वीट लस्सी में जो स्वाद था ना, टिल डेट आई हैव नॉट हैड दैट काइंड ऑफ दाल चावल एंड लस्सी ever over here in Bombay.
Simplicity sometimes really works. All right, so let's cut it into smaller pieces. Got the मूली cut.
Okay.
अब मेरे पास में मूली के पत्ते भी हैं. These. All right, gas on. ये मूली के पत्ते भी इसी के साथ I'll cook them. पत्ते, stems. All of these.
Okay.
It's just that पत्ते थोड़े देर बाद डालेंगे, स्टेम्स पे डाल सकते हैं.
Okay.
So थोड़ा घी गरम, मूली और अजवाइन works very well.
Okay.
So generous portion of अजवाइन. Perfect. And the मूली. I'll add some salt.
Okay.
We'll move on to the second step. हमारा ब्रुस्केटा है, उसके अंदर ये टॉपिंग है और जो ब्रेड है
जी.
वो बेस है. So
Okay.
we'll just cut the bread into slices and I have a grill pan where I can toast them. We'll just slice some bread.
Okay.
Nice thick slice. These are done.
Okay.
इसके अंदर अब हम इसके leaves डालेंगे. And that's it. Leaves को ज़्यादा नहीं पकाएंगे so that they remain nice and green.
Green. Okay.
And इसके अंदर we'll add some chili flakes. Oh, you don't add like much chili, but very little.
No, chili flakes are okay.
All right, this is done. So I'll just take it out. All right, so ये ठंडा हो चुका है.
Okay.
और इसको ठंडा करने रख देते हैं. The pan is hot. Let me. Now I'll just get the pastry sheets. All right, so I've got these pastry sheets. इसे समोसा पट्टी भी कहते हैं. You can use spring roll sheets. You can use wonton sheets if you like. अब ये stuffing इसके अंदर भरेंगे. But before that, we'll grate some nice yellow cheddar. So I'm doing that. We've got the toast nice and crunchy. Beautiful. So what we'll do is हमारे पास मैदा है, उसमें थोड़ा सा पानी मिला के एक गाढ़ा सा पेस्ट बना लेंगे so that ये जो हम रोल कर रहे हैं
जी.
इसको जब फाइनली सील करना होगा उसमें काम आएगा. Just like
ताकि खुल ना जाए.
हाँ, so पेस्ट से दब के चिपक जाएगा. So, wanna start?
Yeah.
Okay. We've got this mixture with us.
जी. Put it on top.
Yeah, but एक जगह take it there.
Triangle.
Yeah, just lift. Yeah, now take the triangle to this place. Yeah, perfect. Now take the मैदे का घोल, put it. This is the final. इस पे ढंग से लगा होना चाहिए. so that it sticks. Just place it here. Oh, you're a pro. You're a natural.
Not at all.
No, no,
You're a good teacher, I must.
No, you did it in the first go. Now he can confidently go tell a girl, मैं आपके लिए पट्टी समोसा बना सकता हूँ। नहीं, asparagus mushroom कुरकुरी। We'll add sufficient oil and heat it. Alright, ये तेल का टेम्परेचर आ गया है।
Okay.
तो गर्मा गर्म तेल में we'll just drop them. We allow it to just get nicely tanned. So, do you have any strong childhood food memory?
Well, all my childhood food memories, I mean, relate to my mom because she's been the cook of the house.
Yeah.
And like I always keep telling people that I'm very lucky to have a mom who's like an excellent cook. खिला पिला के मतलब एकदम
चकाचक
चकाचक।
अपना निकड़ा तगड़ा है।
afro dikro.
Apro tigro tagro che. All right, that was good.
These look nice.
All we need to do is plate them. We have these. And this brings us to the end of asparagus and mushroom parcels. If you can just place it onto the yellow table. हमारा जो मूली ब्रूस कहता है उसकी ब्रेड टोस्ट हो गई है, मूली ठंडी हो गई है, उसके ऊपर हम चीज ग्रेट करेंगे और उसे रखेंगे इन ब्रेड्स के ऊपर और हल्का सा अवन दिखाएंगे सो दैट द चीज जस्ट मेल्ट्स. बट ऑल दैट इन अ व्हाइल, in fact once you come back from this short break.